Hi, welcome to APTS Edu. In this video, we are going to discuss matrices and we'll solve some questions so that you'll understand it better. Matrix is represented by some capital letter. It could be A, B, C, something. So A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So these we call it as elements in a matrix, and we'll represent it by how many rows we have. 1, 2 and 3 rows. 1, 2 and 3 rows and 3 columns. So how we'll represent? 3 by 3. When we pronounce it this by, but when we write it as cross mark. So this represents row and this represents column. So we'll see one more example. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. In this, if you see, it is R1, row 1, row 2. C1, C2, C, R represents row and C represents column. So how many rows we have? 2 rows. And how many columns we have? 3 columns. One more example we'll see. How many rows we have? R1, second row, third row and fourth row. How many columns we have? 1 column. So 4 by, when we pronounce it, we'll pronounce it by. So 4 by 1. This is the order of a matrix. This is the order of a matrix. This is very important when you want to add, when you want to subtract, when you want to multiply. So more examples. A1, B1, C1, A2, A2, C2, A3, B3, C3. These elements which I'm rounding off, these elements we call it as diagonal elements. What we call diagonal elements. If they ask you what is the trace of this matrix, trace of matrix B. Trace of matrix B is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. Sum of the diagonal elements. That is A1 plus B2 plus C3. We'll see one question so that you'll understand it. Let me take from the textbook. Two, 0, 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. If they ask you find the trace of matrix A, they ask you find the trace of matrix A. Just now I said trace of a matrix is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. This is the diagonal element, this is the diagonal element, and this is the diagonal element. So we'll just add those 2 plus minus 1 plus 9. 9 plus 1, 11, 11 minus 1, 10. Trace of this matrix is 10. Next. If we want to add matrix, so for example, A is given 1, 2, 3, 4. and B is given 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the order of this matrix? One row, two rows, one column, two column. So it is 2 by 2 matrix. Again, one row, two rows, one column, two columns. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. If you want to add the matrix, the order of the matrix should be same. The order of the matrix should be same. Then only you will be able to add. If the order of the matrix is not same, you cannot add the matrices. Here adding the matrices is nothing but adding the respective elements. We'll see. For example, if they ask you find A plus B. So A plus B is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus B is what? 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'll add 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 7 and 4 plus 8. So I'll get 6, 8, 10, 12. And the resultant matrix is also the same. That is, if you see, look at here. This is also one row, two rows, and one column, two columns. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Next, we'll see the subtraction. If they give us some 3, 4, 7, 4, B matrix, some 5, 4, 9, 1. If you want to subtract, if they ask you find A minus B, in this case also you need to have the order of the matrix same, that is one row, two row. This is 2 by 2 matrix, one row, two row, one column, two column. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Unless the order of the matrix is same, you cannot add or subtract. So A minus B, 3, 4, 7, 4 minus 5, 4, 9, 1. So what you will get is 3 minus 5, 4 minus 4, 7 minus 9, 4 minus 1. This is minus 2, 0, minus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. Next. Let us assume they gave 3, 3, 7, 9. If they ask you to find 3a, here 3a is some scalar 3a. If they ask to find out 3a, okay, what you need to do is you need to multiply 3 with each and every element of this matrix. So 3a, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 7, 3 into 9. What do you get? 9, 9, 9, 21 and 27. Next, we'll see more examples so you understand it better. If they say A equal to B, in that case, all the elements in A or equal to their corresponding element. For example, we can say A equal to B only when if 1, 2, 3, 4, and B should be also the same. B should be also the same 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now we'll solve one question. If x minus 1, 2, y minus 5, z 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1 plus a. So while adding, subtracting, make sure that you are adding with their corresponding elements. So if you skip and if you add another element, you may get the wrong answer. 1 minus 1, 1. So what they are asking is to find the values of x, y, z and a. Just now I said A matrix is equal to B matrix if and only if their corresponding elements are equal. What this element is equal to this. So x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x. So what I'll get is minus x. If I take to this side, x minus 1 plus x equal to 1. If I bring this minus 1 to this side, what happens? X plus x equal to minus 1 will become plus 1. So this implies x plus x, 2x equal to 2, and x 2 by 2 is 1. So the value of x is 1. Now we'll find out the value of y, z and a. Again, this element is equal to this element. So y minus 5 equal to minus 5. So if I bring this y to the side, y minus 5 plus y equal to 0. So 2y minus 5 equal to 0, 2y equal to 5, y equal to 5 by 2. I hope you are able to understand. If you are not able to understand, comment in the below comment section so that I'll clear your doubts. Next, z. This is z. It was looking like 2, but it was z. And this is 2. This is 2. So z equal to 2. I think I got x value, y value, z value. Now I need to find out the a value. Again, 1 plus a is equal to this. 1 plus a equal to 1, which implies if I take this 1 to the side, what happens? A equal to 1 minus 1, 0. So a value is 0. So we'll discuss more problems in the upcoming videos. So if you like our channel, please subscribe to APTS Edu. Thank you all and all the best for your exams.